Welcome to the Applications Platform training videos from Codeless Platforms. Here are the objectives and approximate running time for this video. This video begins the second exercise in the Applications Platform Foundation series. In the previous exercise, we created the catalog and inventory objects and established the relationship between the objects and their related records. We will continue the training by adding customer, order, and order line objects to our Classic Guitars application. Okay, let's begin by creating a new customer object. Click the New Menu link in the sidebar and select the A New Object with Tab option, and then click the Create button. Enter the following information in the New Object page. Type Customer in the singular name field and accept the automatically generated values for plural name, record name, and integration name. And let's type customer details in the description field. And in the optional object properties, we will select the following options. For audit trail, created, edited, and deleted, then select flagging, view tracking, and reports enabled. Scroll down and in Object Attributes select the following: Contact, and in the Location section, add Google Maps to the page. Now we need to select the following Advanced Object Attributes: Portal User, and finally, do you want to create a new tab for this object now? Click the Save button to apply these settings. In the New Tab page, confirm the following. The tab name is Customers, the description is Customer Details, the parent tab shows None, making it a top-level tab, and make sure in Add to Applications, Classic Guitars is selected. Okay, let's click Save, which returns us to the Customers tab. We now want to create a customer order object. This process is similar to the method we employed to create the customer object and tab. Click the New Menu link in the sidebar and select the A New Object with Tab option, and then click the Create button. Let's input order in the singular name and accept default values for plural name, record name, and integration name. Let's type order details in the description field, and in optional object properties, select the following options: audit trail, created, edited, and deleted, flagging, view tracking, and reports enabled. In advanced object attributes, select the following options: workflow, and do you want to create a new tab for this object now? Click the Save button. In the New Tab page, let's confirm the following information. The tab name is Orders, the description is Order Details, the parent tab shows None, and in Add to Applications, Classic Guitars is selected. Click the Save button. As with the customer and order objects, let's create another object called Order Line. Click the New Menu link in the sidebar, select the A New Object with Tab option. Click the Create button. OK, in the New Object page, include the following options. Type order line in the singular name and accept the default values for plural name, record name, and integration name. In the optional object properties, select the following options. Select Reports Enabled, and ensure Do you want to create a new tab for this object now is deselected. Click Save, and the Objects view will redisplay. Finally, return to the Classic Guitars main page by clicking on the link. That's it for this video. We've created the customer, order, and order line objects for our application. In the next video, we'll be creating a payment object and adding fields to the catalog, customer, and order objects. Thanks for watching.